Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, I am going to show you an important AI chatbot. So where you can give any input prompt so that that AI chatbot will generate answer for you. So it is ChatGPT like chatbot, so which presents best results for your prompts. So whenever you are making some research prompts in ChatGPT, instead of using ChatGPT alone, so you can try out this kind of different AI models. So thereby you can get unique results for a single prompt. So I always often used to say that, so try the same prompt with the different kinds of AI models. So you can use the same research prompts in Gemini AI, Cloud AI, Llama AI, like that you can use different kind of AI models. Thereby you can get different kinds of content, so you can pick the best points out of it. So thereby you can make a structural structural outcome, so which will be very helpful for your research paper writing. So let us go on to today's video and explore that ChatGPT like AI chatbot, and we will shoot out some research prompts and let us see how it will generate content for us. So the AI chatbot what we are going to discuss today is that ChatZ.ai. So this is the dashboard of this chatbot. So here you can see it is powered by GLM 4.5. So it's a free AI chatbot. So you'll be having different kinds of option in this particular chatbot. So you can give in this dashboard you can give any input prompts and you can generate content from that input prompts. So after that you can see here you can upload any documents here. So up to 5 files you can upload and maximum to 25 MB per file. So you can upload that any images or documents in order to analyze that particular documents. So next one is AI slides. So you can generate slides using this particular option. So next you can make a magic design, full stack development, you can write code and you can use it as a search engine also. So first I will give you some input research prompts and let us see how this particular AI chatbot will generate answer for us. So first I am going to give an input prompt like this. So generate an abstract for the research paper title, machine learning algorithms for cyber security. So like that I am going to give an input prompt like this and let us see how this AI chatbot will generate answer for us. So first it will create that outline. So what is the need for that abstract? So a better abstract must need a, so let us wait. So it is still generating. So there will be some strategy has to be followed while writing an abstract. So here you can see that one. So here background or context, briefly introduce the importance of cyber security and role of machine learning can play. So next one, problem statement, identify key cyber security challenges that machine learning can address. Methods approach, mention the types of machine learning algorithms that will be discussed on how they are applied to cyber security. So next, key findings and results, highlight the main outcomes or insights from the research. Next, in implications and conclusion, discuss the significance of the findings and future and potential future directions. So this is how a abstract will be. These are the important points that has to be incorporated in a abstract. So considering this important points, this chatbot will generate a perfect abstract for us. So this will be the perfect abstract which you can copy and paste in your research paper. So even if you add some important points to be incorporated in that abstract, for example, say if you have some numerical values, if you want to pinpoint in abstract, say you are having some that is RMSE value, that is reduced MAE value, performance metrics, and then if you want to mention some efficiency values, so you can do the same in this prompt itself. So according to that particular prompt it will generate a perfect abstract. So make use of this option and you can generate a perfect abstract. The important thing is that, so this is a unique thing in this particular chat bot. So thereby it will analyze the thought process. So that is very important while using your AI. So it must think like a human, so and also stick to the protocols how to write a particular content perfectly. So thereby you can get a perfect content using this model. So I am going to go to home again. So here next I am going to upload some files here. So I am going to desktop. I am going to add some research paper. So it is uploaded, it is 1.5 MB. Summarize the paper and provide key points. So like that I am going to give some PDF. So this will be very helpful for you to analyze any reference papers, and also it will provide a perfect analysis that will be very helpful for you to make a perfect literature review. So these are the summary. So key points. So problem addressed, proposed solution, partial shading detection, window based search technique, experimental validation, performance benefits. So this is how you can upload a paper and you can analyze your paper easily. So whenever you are making a review paper or making a detailed literature review, so you can use this kind of options in this particular chatbot. So next one, I am going to upload some images here. So for example, I am going to say I am going to upload this block diagram. So for example, say I am going to upload this flow chart, explain the step by step algorithm of the attached flow chart. So just click on. So I have attached some flow chart here. So it's a rabbit optimization flow chart, artificial rabbit optimization. So it will analyze that particular image. So based upon that, it will generate content for us. So here comes the rabbit flow chart. So here step by step algorithm, initialization phase, energy factor calculation, decision point check. So like that, it will give a step by step algorithm for that particular flow chart. So not only flow chart, if you want explanation of any image, so you can do the same like this. So just upload that particular image and you can ask any questions you want. It will generate particular that is content for you. If you want explanation of that particular image, so you can do that for also. For example, if you have many images in writing your thesis, if you want to get explanation for that particular image, so you can copy and paste the content here and you can get the perfect explanation for that images also. So this is how you can use this kind of chatbot in order to generate perfect content for you. So next one, I am going to explore AI slides. So here create a presentation on model career. So from zero to hero, your ultimate fitness starter Frank. So create a hilarious nerdy presentation to celebrate Big Bang Theory. I am going to give the same what is already present in this particular chatbot. So here, so first it will analyze what are the important points to be considered. So based upon that, so it will generate slides for you. So if you want slides, so you can do the same. And also it will take some contents from Wikipedia, so some sources. So based upon that particular sources, so it will generate slides for you. So let us see how this tool will generate slides for us. So whenever you are come across different kinds of chatbot, so there won't be an option called slide preparation. So but this also an unique thing where it will prepare slides for you also. So let us see how it will works out. So in this particular chatbot, so what it will give means for each slide, so it will give some links. So you can just click on the link here. So here you can see option called visit page. So you can just click on that visit page. So automatically it leads to the that is websites which is related to that Big Bang Theory. So like that, here you can just click on that images. So thereby you can get that is hyperlinks. So based upon that links, so you will generate content for you. So this is how you can use this. So it is not like other presentation tools, so where it will generate full slides. So instead it will generating the links for this particular that is particular topic what we have given. So I have used the same topic which is already present in the chatbot. So based upon then that only it will generate the slides. So you can give your own input prompts as far as academic writing is concerned. So you can give your own prompts. So based upon that it will generate content. Next one is search info. So here it will act as a search engine and it will generate answer for you. So you can give whatever the topic you want, so and you make this AI chatbot to act as a search engine also. So I can say it is one of the all-in-one AI tool. So it is generating perfect content for us. So as far as this abstract writing is concerned, it is generating a perfect abstract. So you can use this chatbot to write a perfect abstract for your research paper. So go on and explore this ChatZ AI with your research prompts and try out with your research prompts and get a better content out of it. So hope this video will be very helpful for you and you are aware about this ChatZ AI. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.